Sony Xperia 1.6 may be introduced to the market soon. The phone is expected to succeed the Sony Xperia 1V. It would make sense to see the Sony Xperia 1.6 in May of this year, 2024. The biggest Sony Xperia 1.6 leak so far details its camera, which will apparently include a 48MP main camera, a 48MP ultra-wide one, and a 48MP telephoto camera, offering 3x optical zoom, and reaching 6x zoom through a sensor crop. So there will be far more megapixels for the ultra-wide and telephoto cameras to play with this year if this leak is right. The same site also reports that the Sony Xperia 1.6 might come with a choice of 12GB or 16GB of RAM. All versions of the Sony Xperia 1V have 12GB, so the top model could have 4GB of extra RAM this year. Finally, according to a leaker posting on Weibo, a Chinese social media platform, the Sony Xperia 1.6 will have a 6.9-inch screen. This is a surprising claim, as due to the expected 21:9 aspect ratio with a 4K resolution, that could make the phone extremely tall. Sony likely to move from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, so expect the Sony Xperia 1.6 to be more powerful than Xperia 1V. Sony Xperia 1.6, we'd like better heat management with faster charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.